Qualcomm has introduced the newest model of Snapdragon 7 SoC series, the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2. You might be wondering why Qualcomm has kept the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 1 and the Snapdragon 7 Gen 2. That's because the performance gains between the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 and 7 Plus Gen 2 are quite significant, with a triple cluster arrangement of 1 prime core, 3 performance core, and 4 efficiency cores. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 promises up to 50% CPU performance improvements compared to the Gen 1. And if that isn't impressive enough, the prime core's peak clock speed can reach a whopping 2.91 GHz when handling demanding tasks. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 has its performance and efficiency cores running at lower clock speeds than its prime core to reduce power consumption. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 not only boasts an integrated GPU with twice the performance of Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. It also has an image signal processor that supports up to 200 megapixel camera sensors, 4K HDR video, and improved night mode that can interpolate 30 images taken almost simultaneously. This prevents blurry grainy photos in low-light situations. It also has Snapdragon X62 5G modem that delivers 4.4 GB per second peak download speeds. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 offers 13% better power efficiency than its predecessor, so you can use your phone all day without worrying about running out of battery juice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos.